Do 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 do. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hope everyone having a good had a good night and having a good day. Mm, 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 mm. Alrighty then. Let's begin. Let us begin. Right, so we had an insane push here for the last 15 minutes, 80 point move here on YM. Um, we have a 30-minute high right here, something to be mindful of. We also have a huge wick fill here, possibly wick fill. Let me see, 5 minute. Yeah, okay, so it's only 15. Right, so we have 15 highs right here as well. Keeping a watchful eye of that. Yeah, I think we just whatever I think what price is gonna do here just retest or whatever it is and continue pushing up. If it doesn't, then we're looking for sells below here, right? Buys could be break up these highs. I really trying these days to like I think I'm gonna wait for a double break here for buys. Also, I'm on I'm on the mini here, mini YM. Um, just just pointing that out to you guys. So just I never really used it, so I just wanna see kind of the difference if it like matters. Um, opposed to using 30 and 3, you know. So yeah, I just wanna see what it is, what it's about. Um, so yeah, from the 5 minute perspective, we have clean ranges all the way up here, right? Yeah, right. So buys above 25 point stop, possibly a 30 point stop today, possibly. I think these days why I'm been breaking out really hard, like really hard. So maybe a 30 point stop would be appropriate. Um, for sales, we have possible sales right here. So possible sales at 350 and possible buys at 493. Yeah. Right. And that's it for YM. Yeah. Let's see what let's see what NQ has. Uh, yeah. So sales. Wow, NQ. Yeah, NQ was terrible for London. That shit was choppy as hell. Okay, let's go on to 30. Let's see how we got going on here. Okay, so we have 30-minute high here, 30-minute resistance here. Um, On the 15, okay, same thing on the 15. High is all the way up here. More or less, these areas here could be the target, right? Any one of these, last low and last high, yeah. Wow, this looks awful. Holy shit. Yeah. Sales. Yeah, sales for me is gonna be here for NQ. Buys break up the current high for the most part on the 30, yeah. So I think they are both just doing a retest to continue bullish. I may enter on both of them. I may enter on both of them, right? So just being mindful of that. Right, so we're looking at buys, potential buys here for NQ at 178. 178. And wow, this is some hmm, this target is a bit big. I mean, it's been consolidating for the entire fucking time, so some type of breakout is bound to happen. Yesterday we got a breakout of 200 points. This is 150. So let's see what can happen here. Um, Possible sells. Possible sells at 103. Uh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 105. Yeah, 103, 103, 104 for sales. Yeah, and we can come down into this, the end of this range here, possibly, possibly. But I'm really gravitating towards buys here. I would like to see like a wick down of some sort, and then break those highs. Yeah. So that's the goal here. That's the goal here. All right. I'm doing evals. Have no more funded accounts. I need to pass some evals here, so this is what I will be trading. I will be focusing on evals here today. So yeah, bro. Yeah, guys. What do you guys have going on? What do y'all have going on? We got 7 minutes left. I was wondering if I should start this stream earlier, just come and chill. What do you guys think? Start the stream early and just come and hang out for a little bit. Maybe get maybe catch up with some trading news or some shit, like things going on in the space. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even like I didn't even watch his I didn't even listen to what he said though. Yeah. I didn't even listen to him. Okay, let's see if I can mark up this shit here. Wow. YM is YM is pushing back a lot here. Wow, that's a ugly 30-minute candle here on YM, by the way. This is ugly. Very, very ugly. We're gonna need a wick down here. I don't think I'm even gonna take sales here if I'm being honest. I'll be a bit patient here. I wanna take um shitty setups right now. Yeah, this is yeah. What's that? Yeah, yeah. It don't really matter though, but let me hold on with. I mean, yeah, I will see the execution. Yeah, I'll be like, what the hell? And then I would have end up just entering again or some shit. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Do 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 do. What did I say my zone is? Which zones did I mark up? The 30 minute and which is this zone here? Okay, this is based on the okay. Okay, so I didn't mark up this zone here. Okay. Yeah, I didn't mark this zone here. Okay. Do, do, do. Yeah, that was gonna be it for me for now. Yeah. All right. 2 minutes left, guys. Yeah, NQ is looking. Yeah, yeah, NQ is looking good. NQ. Like I said, I may enter both of them though. If I'm being honest here, I may enter both of them. So it doesn't. Yeah, 500 risk is in. Yeah, I may enter both of them. So doesn't matter at this point. I need to like remember that's what I used to do. So yeah. Right, and I have this other account here. So alright, so YM on this, YNQ on this. Alright. Alrighty then. Yeah, NQ is just not NQ but YM. YM seems to be closing bearish here. Hmm. 20 seconds left. NQ already starting to push. It seems like here. Yeah, I think YM wants to give that sort of fake out move there. Well, let's see. Lock it in, guys. Let's get it. Okay, NQ look like the play here. Yeah. Bad entry on NQ here though, but let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Okay. YM is going up. Let's see what YM does here. Yeah, I'm in buys on NQ as well. Yeah, I'm in buys on NQ as well. Yeah. Okay, I've stopped to break even here on NQ. Yeah, 7, 8. Yeah. Um, I'm out here on NQ. I think I'm out here on NQ. I'm out here on NQ. Securing. Not gonna play around today. I'm securing. We tap. We come into the 30-minute high. I'm securing that. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. Yep. I'm good with that. Ooh, there's that flip here on YM. Yeah, I'm good with that for the day. Come out at about a 1 hour, but it is what it is. Okay, YM wants to continue pushing down, it seems. Seems like YM wants to continue pushing down. Well, guess not. Guess not. Let's see what NQ is gonna do here on the first 5 minute closure. I guess you could also look at like the 1 minute closure as well too. Good one, guys. Good one. Good one. Good dub today. Easy dub today on NQ. We're just about. Well, my entry was late, but we're just shy of 2 hour in terms of where price is at now. Based on my entry, I'm shy of 2 hour. I mean, if your entry was at the area there, you would have gotten in, or you'd have been up almost 3 hour actually. So this is not a bad closure here, based on the 1 minute. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Well, that's more or less it for me here. With this, like, yeah, up 1 hour today, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Trying to only take one trade here per session. 1, 2 trades per session here. So yeah, this 5 minutes should close really nice here on NQ. This is nice. We got a nice. So we basically got a retest. Basically got a retest. Um, and then a bullish closure. So this 5 minute here should be good on NQ. Yeah, see this low here is like a sweep type of shit, you know. Why might continue to go up here? Mm, 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 mm. So in this case here, so notice how this 5 minute candle opened, right? You notice it opened bearish, like it opened without a bottom wick here. But if you look sharp, let me just show you all this shit, because these things are important, right? So the minor stuff. So notice it come back and make the bottom wick there. But before that, notice the open, how its height is different. The height of it is different. It opened lower. You could consider that a bottom wick. Just so you know, you could consider that a bottom wick, right? And yeah, you could consider that a bottom wick. If it gaps up, then that's different. But it gapped down and then it pushed up, yeah. Because it just shows how much volume that's there. But price did change and price came down first, right? That's why it gapped down and then it pushed up. So you could consider that bottom wick in essence, right? Not the same like what it just come and did there, but it's the idea is the same, right? So yeah, so a potential entry could be here. Potentially could be here. Go for 1 hour. Okay, we have this next level here. But it should fly here though. Price should fly here. Mm, 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 mm. Keeping in mind, we are above the 30 here, right? So if you look at the 1 minute here, so notice what happened here. We close above the 30, right? Just a little teaching moment here, guys. Yeah. So we close above the 30. So this is important, right? So once this next 5 minute candle closes, it might linger here a little bit, but once it closes, then you get a strong confirmation that price is ready to go to the upside. So once you break these lows here, on the other hand, it might just tank, right? So again, if YM, so notice that closure, no bottom wick, this might just close like a doji. This current 1 minute might just close like a doji. Notice the 5 minute on YM here though. A bullish closure here could signify push to the upside. I genuinely don't think YM is gonna be like just based on price action here. Um, yeah. Yo, Umar, how do you do, man? Oh, we didn't get a doji close, yeah. Good morning, how are you? Nice, nice, very nice, very nice. Good shit, good shit, man, good shit, good shit. Yeah, NQ just lingering around that 30-minute resistance there. Yeah, I'm still live, yeah. Still live. Just sticking in here for a little bit. Little teaching moment for YouTube, yeah. Okay, there it is, guys. There is it. The 5 minute about to close here. And that's what we was anticipating, yeah. So the next 5 minutes should fly here for NQ. It should fly. So really nice closure here based on the 1 minute. Got to our bottom wick, 45-minute candle. Break up the highs, gone. Break up the highs. Oh, if it breaks. If it breaks those highs, that is. If it breaks those highs. And YM should be pushing up here as well. Notice it break the previous highs already. YM should be pushing up here. There goes NQ. There is a push, guys. There is a push. There is a push. Like it's like clockwork, guys. It's like clockwork. It's like clockwork. It's like clockwork. Just gotta trust the process, man. With these things, you just gotta trust the process. Just trust the process. Just trust the process. Yep. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it here. Up on Lucid account and up on these four accounts here. So it's good. It's good. Taking my time with it. Second day on these accounts. So yeah. Taking my time here, guys. So I'm out. Yeah. Have a nice one. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Peace. I noticed something here before I leave the stream. Okay, there it is. I was, I was wondering. I thought my stream, the top of my stream was cut out.